to the girl Tiffany, your boy back in with another video. I don't even know if y'all can hear me, but right now I'm gonna show y'all. But yeah, in this video I'm gonna be showing y'all how to make this, because I haven't made the other one, fur boots. It's so cute, ain't it? It's so cute. So I'm gonna be showing y'all how to do this, alright? Okay, so these are the boots that I'm using. See, this is why I need to get a camera, because every time I try to record, my microphone be going in and out. But I guess I'm just gonna do another voiceover. But yeah, I was just showing y'all how to little glitter stuff be falling off of these boots. So that's why I wanted to dang, I'm going fast. Okay, so you get the sleeve, get an old shirt. This is the old shirt. Turn it inside out, cut the sleeve off, and you cut the wrist part off. So once you do that, this is the pattern that you should be left with, and it should fit around your entire boot. Okay, then you get your pattern, lay it on top of the fur, and you cut that out. The same pattern, just cut around it. I leave a little bit, but yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and cut that. Alright, so you get your boot, right? And then you wanna, just like you did the sleeve, you wanna put it around just like you did, and you just start sewing it down. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna sew all the way around the bottom. You're gonna go through the fur and through the boot all the way around the bottom, and then you're gonna go up the back all the way through, and then you're gonna tuck the fur in and sew that all the way around as well. So just continue watching the video and see what I did. once you're done with all of that, you just want to pull your fur out, cover it off with any string, and make sure if you got like white fur, use white thread. If you got pink fur, use pink thread. Try to match the thread so it'll be easy to hide. But I'm using a comb to just comb it out, but you can use your fingers. Just, you know, make it messy, make it look cute, and just try to cover up any parts where you may have sewn, because it's not going to show. And I'm just trimming it. You don't have to do that. But yeah, this is the boot, and that's the finished product. Thank you so much for watching.